Today I'm going to elaborate the most booming vitamin, biotin. First, how does biotin work? Biotin stimulates keratin production in hair and can increase the rate of follicle growth. With the regular intake of vitamin B7, you can support the health of your hair, strengthen the hair and add shine to it. Biotin also helps in preventing various health problems like hair loss and dandruff scalp itchiness. Biotin is a B7 vitamin found in food. It helps the body convert food into energy and plays many other important roles in health. Biotin boosts the health of the hair and nails and also supports the healthy glowing skin. Third, which biotin is best for hair growth? Nutrivog from Vogue Wellness is regarded as one of the best supplements for hair growth. It promotes strong hair and additionally gives glowing skin. It is also very effective in fighting nail brittleness and regarded as one of the best biotin tablets for hair growth. Order now from our website www.vogewellness.in.